It's Monday to flex. Let's get ready for work with what I have in my closet. This is the basic Claire. Today I'm going for something simple. I wear these trousers on Friday and I thought, you know what? Let me wear it again today. So I'm going to wear these trousers. I really love it. It is really nice, comfortable office pants. Like, I really, really like it. I have to put this yellow legging a bit down so that it doesn't show. Oh, today's Monday. It's Monday. We're back. We're back to work. We've rested for just 2 days, and then now work has started. I always have tissue paper in my pocket these days because of hoi court and all of that. So I'm gonna put this one. I also wear this one last week. I really like it. And I thought, you know what? It's gonna be a perfect match with this. Something simple, casual, nothing out of the ordinary. Yeah. Oh, like I just love how my outfits just match with everything. Give you guys frugal chic. Today I decided to go with this hair. I have this hair lying down um in my drawer for like long time. I said, you know what? Let me just put something on today. Let me wear something else. I have so many wigs that are get ready to go wigs. I have a lot of them. I just, you know what? Let me try something. I have the curly one. I have a straight one. I have different type. So I'm gonna be trying different wig this week. Maybe I'm gonna wear this one for the whole of this week, and then next week I'll wear something else. I just want to give the pixie get ready to go wig a break. Let me give those hair some break because I have really, really used those hair a lot. So let me just give it a break. I'm gonna wear this black sneaker and fix the lace. I'm in. I just want to give them a break. Let me wear something else. Try something else. Yeah, it's not that. I don't think there's need for me to put any belts. There's no need for belts. There's no need for belts. There is some lip gloss. Oops, that was a little bit too much. Kind of did my eyebrow a little bit. I didn't go in with concealer. I cleaned it up and then I kind of like go in to darken it a little bit. So this time, oh, white hair. This time I clean it up real good. Just before I go there, I want to finish this Sol de Janeiro body mist. I don't have much anymore, so it's almost finished. Wait, let me use this one. Then I'll put the remaining one. I'm just going to turn this one in here. Then I can get rid of this. Yep, this one is finished. Now I can get rid of this one. It's finished. We get rid of it. Now let's go in a little bit with the Sol de Janeiro perfume because I've used the body mist. So the perfume, you don't need that much. And hand cream. There's still something in there, but the cream, I made it so thick that it is a bit annoying to get everything out. We are now in summer. Officially now we're in summer. Yeah, I'm not mistaken, but we're officially in summer. The time has changed. So yeah, it's a little bit forward. Time has moved forward. This is the after look of the day. What do y'all think? Do I look cute? I think I look cute. I look cute. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. Simples. Ik hoop jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Peace out. Bye.